I'm Sawyer. Once I just wanted to understand trading. Today I make over 100,000 bucks every week and own many villas and apartments around the world. But I remember how hard it is to start. That's why I created a Telegram channel with free trading practice and signals to help anyone begin from zero. Join my Telegram and message me. Start a journey with me. The key is precision, not greed. I don't chase, I react. If moment aligns, I strike, then vanish. The less you expect, the cleaner your decisions. That's the mindset of the scalper.
Here we open a sell trade and we've entered in advance. Since I noticed the moving average crossover forming. Let's highlight the working area. As I told earlier, this strategy is very simple, so we only focus on this section of the price movement. We can see an update of the local high followed by a price pullback, and then the movement continues downward. In this zone, a moving average crossover from top to bottom occurs, which is a very important signal, and that's why we open a sell trade here. Let's watch the result. I expect a downward breakout toward the end.
Trading is not just about copying signals, it's about understanding the logic behind every move. That's exactly what I teach in my free practical strategy session. You will learn how to trade properly, get daily signals, and join a real learning community in Telegram. Hit the link below and start your free session now.
And as we can see, the trade closes in profit.
I end each day by reviewing reactions, not just results. Did I move too early or too late? That question shapes tomorrow's accuracy because mastery isn't winning, it's understanding why. Precision is endless practice. I never chase after a candle that's already moved. If you see the move, you are already late. I prepare before it happens. I identify pressure zones and traps. When price hits the area, I'm ready to act instantly. Preparation makes reaction possible.
Yes, here we will open a trade for an increase. A bit of risky entry, I would say, but overall, if we take into account the price dynamics, we haven't had a good pullback for quite a while during this movement. Therefore, we also look here at the moving average crossover. That is, a small support area has formed and a global price minimum was created. Here we observe a moving average crossover from bottom to top, therefore we open a trade for an increase. We will watch the result again. So far the movement dynamics completely satisfy me. Let's wait for the trade to close. The next trade closes in profit.
Sometimes it feels like deja vu on the chart, but that's not luck, it's consistency in chaos. The same mistakes, same reaction, same outcomes. I just learned to be on the right side of that repetition. History pays when you read it right. Most beginners fail because they learn alone or rely on random strategies. In my community, you get real guidance, free practical training on charts, detailed breakdowns of market behavior, and daily signals with 70% accuracy. Nothing is hidden behind payments or subscriptions. The goal is to make you confident in every trade you take. Join the Sawyer community and start developing a structured approach. They actually works.